Welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try vegetable kurma. So this vegetable kurma is a very good side dish for idli, dosa, puri, chapati and parotta. So to start with, I've got like vegetables like carrot, green peas, beans, potato and onion, tomato, green chili, ginger garlic paste and curry leaves. And also spices, I've got like one bay leaf, one cinnamon stick, few cloves and one star anise. And our main ingredients for kurma: coconut, fennel seeds, chana dalia, cashew nut, poppy seeds, and one cardamom. Let's add oil first. So once the oil is hot, we can add our spices. And along with our spices, we can also add our green chili and curry leaves. Just saute for a while. Now we can add onions and fry these onions until they turn brown in color. So now the onions are fried. Now I'm adding ginger garlic paste and saute it for a while. And then I'm adding tomatoes and keep frying it. Just wait until our tomatoes are cooked. The tomatoes are cooked. Now I'm adding all the vegetables. And then just keep frying it for a while. So it's been 3 minutes after we added our vegetables. So now I'm adding turmeric powder and salt, mix them properly. Keep your gas stove on a medium flame and just saute it. Make sure the salt is mixed well. Now I'm adding chili powder and coriander powder. Then mix it properly. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we can add water and mix it properly and leave it like this for 10 to 15 minutes so that our vegetables will be cooked properly. So while our vegetables are getting cooked, we can prepare our key ingredient for a kurma, which is nothing but the coconut paste. So as I mentioned earlier, I've got coconut, poppy seeds, cashew nut, chana dalia, fennel seeds and one cardamom. I'm going to put it in a mixture and grind it like a paste. So our paste is ready now, and it's been 15 minutes after I added our vegetables. So and our gravy is also looking good, cooked well. So I'm adding this paste to our gravy and mix it well. And also I'm adding 2 spoons of curd. It really gives that sour taste to our kurma. And then just mix it properly. And we can leave it covered for another 15 minutes. So it's been 20 minutes. And as we can see, the oil is getting formed on top, so that's the signal that our kurma is cooked. So I'm just adding a little bit of coriander leaves and give it a gentle mix, and then I'm going to turn off the gas now. That's it. There we go, our kurma with chapati. Thanks for watching.